Breaking news. Common mistakes in area and perimeter has the construction of buildings and newer falling to the ground. Now Katie will show us how to find the area of parallelograms, rectangles, and triangles.
Hi. Today I am going to show you first how to find the area of parallelograms. First, you always have to write out your formula. Our formula for this parallelograms is base times height equals area. Once you've written out your formula, you find the length of all of the sides of the parallelogram. Once you've done that, you recognize your base and your height. But since the parallelogram sides are not straight, we have to draw a straight line from the corner of the parallelogram up to get the correct height length. My base is 4 centimeters and my height is 2 centimeters. Now we rewrite our formula. Area now equals the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 2. Now all we have to do is multiply our base times our height, or 4 times 2, to get our area of the parallelogram. The area of the parallelogram is 8 centimeters. And don't forget to add your unit. Now I'll show you how to find the area of triangles. First, you always have to write out your formula. Our formula for triangles is 1/2 of the base times the height, because a triangle is half of a rectangle, so it needs to be half. Once we've written out our formula, we find the length of all our sides. Once we've done that, we have to draw the height because the sides of a triangle are not straight. We draw a straight line through the middle of the triangle to get the correct length of the height. Once we've done that, we write, my base is 4 centimeters and my height is 3 centimeters. But I need to find half of my base because a triangle is half of a rectangle. Half of my base is 2 because 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now I rewrite my formula. My new formula is 1/2 of base, which is 2, times height, which is 3. All we have to do now is multiply our base times our height, or 2 times 3. My area of the triangle is 6. Last but not least, I'm going to show you the area of rectangles. First, you always write out your formula. Our formula for a rectangle is length times width equals the area. Once you've written out your formula, you find the length of all of your sides. Once you've done this, you recognize the length and the width. My length is 4 centimeters and my width is 2 centimeters. Once we have found that, we rewrite our formula. My new formula is 4, which is our length, and 2, which is our width. To find our area, we just multiply those two numbers together, length times width, or 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So my area of a rectangle is 8. Now Claire will show us how to find the perimeter of parallelograms, triangles, and rectangles.
Thanks, Katie. First, I'll be talking about parallelograms. So, our formula is perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. So, our length and width is 4 and 3 centimeters. If we add all those together, you get a new formula. Perimeter equals 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. If you add all those together, your answer is 14. So then, the perimeter of our parallelogram is 14. Now triangles. Our formula is perimeter equals base plus side plus the other side. Our base is 6 centimeters. Our sides are also 6 centimeters. So our perimeter equals 6 plus 6 plus 6. If we add all those together, it equals 18. The perimeter of this triangle is 18. And finally, rectangles. Our perimeter for the rectangle is length plus width plus length plus width. Our length and width are 7 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Let's add all those together. So now our new formula is perimeter equals 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 4. Add all those together and you get 22. The perimeter of this rectangle is 22. Now, Katie and I will show you some common mistakes.
A common mistake of finding area is you add instead of multiply when finding the area.
Another common mistake is you multiply all the numbers instead of adding when you find the perimeter.
One other common mistake is you forget to divide the base times the height when finding the area of triangles, because triangles are half of rectangles, so the base has to be half.
And last but not least, another common mistake is finding volume instead of area.
Thanks for watching.